Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. In this video, we will be discussing about some yoga poses that can help keep your whole body healthy and fit for the long term and can help you reduce your medical expenses significantly. Before moving ahead, a small request friends, please like, comment and subscribe to the channel if the video has provided you with some important information. Yoga has been practiced for thousands of years for various reasons, but one of the main benefits of yoga is that it helps keep the body healthy and fit. With healthcare costs rising, it's important to find low-cost alternatives to stay healthy and fit. One of the best ways to do this is through practicing yoga. Yoga not only helps improve your physical and mental health, it can also save you money in the long run. Before knowing which of 15 yoga poses will help you to keep your entire body healthy and fit, first let's know how it can protect you from some of the dangerous diseases and keep you fit for a long time no matter your age, eventually helping to cut medical expenses significantly. So, let's get straight into it. Firstly, it reduces stress and anxiety. One of the main benefits of practicing yoga is that it helps reduce stress and anxiety. Stress is known to be a leading cause of many health problems, both physical and mental. Through practicing yoga, you can learn how to manage stress and anxiety, which can help prevent many serious health problems and reduce your medical expenses. It also improves cardiovascular health. Yoga can also help improve your cardiovascular health by reducing your blood pressure and cholesterol levels. As a result, it can help prevent heart disease, one of the leading causes of death worldwide. By avoiding costly treatments and medication, practicing yoga can help you save money on medical expenses in the long term. Helps to manage chronic pain. Chronic pain, whether it be from a previous injury or an underlying condition, can be a major drain on your finances. By practicing yoga, you can learn to manage chronic pain without the need for medication and expensive treatments. Certain yoga poses can help stretch and strengthen muscles, reducing pain and discomfort. It also boosts immunity. Yoga can also help boost your immune system, which is essential for maintaining good health. By practicing yoga, you can help prevent diseases and infections, reducing your medical expenses in the long run. A strong immune system can also help prevent chronic diseases such as cancer and diabetes. And promotes good sleep. Finally, practicing yoga can help promote good sleep, which is essential for overall health and well-being. Many people suffer from sleep disorders such as insomnia, which can lead to a long list of health problems. By practicing yoga before bed, you can promote relaxation and improve the quality of your sleep, reducing the need for costly treatments and medication. These were some of the ways that practicing yoga can help to protect from dangerous health conditions and can cut your medical expenses significantly. Now let's know which of the 15 yoga poses can help you to keep your entire body healthy and fit for long time and can help you to save your hard-earned money. Number 1. Surya Namaskar or Sun Salutations. Doing a whole cycle of Surya Namaskar 3 times daily will not only tone your muscles and improve your flexibility from head to toe, it can also improve digestion, boost blood circulation, improve neurological system, keep blood pressure and cholesterol levels under control, improve the function of neurological system and keep you mentally and physically joyful. Number 2. Vrikshasana or tree pose. Vrikshasana is a great way to improve your balance and posture while also stretching your legs and arms. It can also help improve your mental focus and concentration, making it a great pose for those who need to clear their minds and find inner peace. Hold this pose for 1 to 2 minutes daily. Number 3. Uttan Asana or standing forward bend pose. Holding this pose for 30 seconds to a minute daily brings deep stretch to the hamstrings and lengthens the spine. This is one of the best yoga poses to not only reduce fatigue and stress but also improve digestion and keep you in overall good health. Number 4. Adho Mukha Swan Asana or downward facing dog pose. Adho Mukha Swan Asana is a great way to stretch and strengthen your entire body, from your arms to your legs and everything in between. It also helps increase blood flow to the brain, which can help improve concentration and focus. Hold this pose for 30 seconds to 1 minute daily. Number 5. Utkat Asana or chair pose. Holding this pose for 30 seconds to 2 minutes daily will engage various muscle groups, strengthening the legs, building stamina and also improves blood circulation. Number 6. Virbhadra Asana 1 or Warrior 1 pose. Virbhadra Asana 1 is great to strengthen the arms, legs and lower back. It also helps to prevent chronic pelvic pains, especially in women. This pose also encourages general mental health and emotional well-being by improving blood circulation and respiration. Hold this position for at least 30 seconds to 1 minute daily. Number 7. Virbhadra Asana 2 or Warrior 2 pose. Holding this pose for 30 seconds to 1 minute daily can help strengthen your legs, arms, and core muscles. It is also great for improving balance and flexibility. This pose is often used in yoga routines for athletes and can help prepare the body for more intense workouts. Number 8. Trikon Asana or Triangle pose. Trikon Asana is a popular yoga pose which has numerous health benefits from physical strengthening to mental and emotional well-being. Holding this pose for 30 seconds to 1 minute daily can improve digestion, alleviate back pain and sciatica symptoms, reduces menopause symptoms by reducing stress and anxiety. It also helps to boost immune system. Number 9. Ekapada Rajkot Asana or one-legged king pigeon pose. As we grow older, it becomes hard to be mobile enough. This pose is great to open up the hips because it stretches the piriformis muscle at the back of the thigh, making it very good for mobility. Hold for 1 to 5 minutes at a minimum on each side daily. Number 10. Setu Bandh Asana or bridge pose. Setu Bandh Asana is perfect for building core and glute strength, making it wonderful for office workers and those who spend most of time seated in front of a computer or reading. Hold for 15 to 30 seconds and repeat several times daily. Number 11. Marichi Asana or seated twist. Marichi Asana not only stretches your back, shoulders, and legs, it also helps to calm the mind and reduces stress. Hold for 1 to 3 minutes on each side daily. Number 12. Ustrasana or camel pose. Ustrasana is a great way to stretch your back and improve your posture. It can also help improve breathing, making it a great pose for those who suffer from respiratory problems. This pose is also great for improving your flexibility and reducing stress and anxiety. Hold this pose for 30 seconds to 1 minute daily. Number 13. Bhujang Asana or Cobra pose. Bhujang Asana is incredibly beneficial as it helps to ease any stiffness in the lower back, alleviate spinal pain, release tension from the chest and shoulders, stimulate the abdominal muscles, enhance flexibility, and correct any posture issues due to hunching. Hold this pose for 30 seconds to 1 minute daily. Number 14. Baddha Kon Asana or butterfly pose. Holding this pose daily for 5 minutes helps to stretch the groin area, inner thighs, and hips, which stimulates the urinary bladder, assists with kidney issues, and improves the functioning of your digestive system. It is also beneficial to reduce fatigue, stress, and anxiety. Number 15. Sav Asana or corpse pose. The final pose on our list is the Sav Asana. This simple but effective pose is often used at the end of yoga routines to help promote relaxation and reduce stress. It involves lying on your back with your arms and legs spread out, allowing your body to relax and unwind. Hold for a minimum of 5 minutes. By incorporating these poses into your daily routine, you can improve your physical and mental health and enjoy the many benefits of yoga. Don't forget to consult with your doctor before starting any new exercise routine, and remember to listen to your body and go at your own pace. So there you have it, folks, some of the ways that practicing yoga can help cut your medical expenses. By incorporating the mentioned 15 yoga poses into your daily routine, you can improve your physical and mental health while also saving money on medical expenses in the long run. If you are unable to find time to do all the yoga poses at once daily, you can do 2 to 3 yoga poses alternatively with full concentration and commitment. I hope you have found this video helpful and you will start your yoga journey right away. Thanks for tuning in, and we'll see you next time.